Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to center the pivot in Autodesk Maya, a simple but super useful trick for modeling, animation, and transformations. Let's get started. First, select the object you want to adjust. You can click it directly in the viewport or select it from the outliner. With the object selected, go to the top menu and choose Modify Center Pivot. You'll see the pivot jump right to the center of your object's geometry. And that's it. Quick, simple, and super handy. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more Maya tips and tricks. See you next time.